Hi everyone, this is David, and I'm going to show you my team project for software engineering class. The project's called Budget Bookkeeping, just basically keep tracks of the user's expenses and income with friendly UI. I was the development leader of the project. We have used HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap4, some JavaScript for front end. For back end, we have used PHP language and mySQL for our database. Okay, let's start our demo. This is the home page, very simple design with About Us section, Meet the Team section, and contact form. Also, this number right here indicates the total number of active users in the database. And new users can sign up or register. Since I have an account, I'm going to sign in with my username or my email, password. This is the dashboard page, which is the first page after logging in. Right now I'm logged in as username Dave. Quick reminder that the data that you see, such as numbers, graphs, or text, are different from user to another. So I'm gonna come back to the dashboard later. So let's navigate to the income page for now. This is the income page, and this number is the total income for that user. So in this page we can add income right over here, but first I want to show you some validation. Like this application does not let the user enter or add any empty records, and also user cannot enter any negative amount or negative number in this field. Okay, let's add an income record. The record will be shown right here in this table. This table has all the income transactions that the user recorded. So let's add a record very quick. Let's add $100. Say salary of June. And specify date. Right, we can hit add. Get a successful message. And the record's right here. So the user have the ability to edit an existing record or deleting an existing record. I'm gonna demonstrate that right now. The user can click on the edit button to modify any record. So let's say it was 101. Salary of June. Let's just add a test. So you can see the new comment. You can click update. Successful message again. And as we can see here, the record is updated with the new comment. Also, user can delete a record by clicking the delete button right here. After deleting, you get successful message was deleted, and then we don't see it here anymore. All right, let's move on to the expense page. So this is the total amount of expense for that user. However, the expenses have 6 different categories: bills and payments, food and drinks, shoppings, and so on. We can also add an expense record right here. I'm going to speed up the process since it's very similar to the income page. Alright, let's move to the reports page. So on the report page, users have the ability to search for anything like comment or a date, and also they can have custom results based on dates, so they can pick the start and stop date and click the search button right here. Also, they have the ability to print the results as well. Okay, let me demo these features for you. This is the brainstorming page. So here users can add a task or something they want to accomplish. So let's add a task very quick. Say that buy a book. We can click add task. So the task shows right here in this table. So now users can mark this task as accomplished or completed. They can also delete the task. So if we mark this task as completed, again, successful message, we don't see it here anymore, but we do see it here. This table is basically the accomplished tasks for the user. And then also we can delete a task by clicking this button right here. Alright, going back to our dashboard page, which is our main page. Users can quickly search any transaction ID, either expense or income. So let's say that 28, and then we can click search and see the record with the amount and the date. Let's try another ID. Let's try 510. And let's try an ID that's not in the database. So if it's invalid, the transaction ID will give an error message saying no such record in the database. For these 4 tiles, show the balance, the total income, total expenses, and the total number of transactions. So if the user hover over these tiles, it will show a more description about what these numbers mean. And with this chart right here shows that this user have 71% income, about 71, and about 28% expense. And this chart right here shows there's 39.2% of the expenses is actually on bills and payments, 11.8 on food and drinks, and so on, shopping, gifts, technology, and others. Right, last 30-day summary gives a user a short report showing that the activities, income activities and expenses activities for the last 30 days. These styles show the same thing. These 2 tables actually show the most recent 10 income and expenses transactions with some styling when you hover over them. And finally, tasks, that's the user tasks. This user has 3 unaccomplished tasks and 6 accomplished tasks. Alright, we can sign out, and we cannot go back to the dashboard or any of the pages. It will redirect us to the home page. So users have to be signed in order to access these pages. Right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know if you have any question. Thank you.